Hi everyone, welcome to my channel this morning. It's Ezekiel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos. I've received a lot of messages asking me how to edit videos for YouTube. Okay, that is why this video will show you step-by-step guide on how you can do that. Okay, last week someone called me, Chinwe, how are you editing your videos? Your videos are very cool. They are very cool, very nice. So how are you editing your videos? That is why I'm gonna answer that question in this video today. If this is the first time of visiting my channel, click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to my channel, then smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, because this video will teach you step by step on how to edit videos for YouTube. Okay, I've seen a lot of people uploading their videos like that without editing the video. That is rubbish. Okay, it doesn't make sense. So that is why I prepared this video for you, so that you learn step by step how you can edit your videos. Okay, the software I'm using to edit my videos, you can check it on the description below. Okay, then I'll also show you how you can add effects and everything to your videos. All right, stay with me, let me show you how. Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said, that I will show you how to edit your videos for YouTube, because someone asked me how am I editing my videos. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, and there are a lot of softwares you can use to edit your videos, but this one I'm using is called Filmora. Okay, you can download it or you can buy it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to edit videos using Filmora. Okay, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how you can edit your videos for YouTube, how to add background music, effects, transition. Okay, let me show you how you can do that. But please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do that right now by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Okay, all right, here is the interface of this software. Here's the interface. If you look at here, there is nothing here, but I'll show you how you can start doing that. Okay, like here it says drop your video clips, images or audio here, or click here to import media. I can do drag and drop by selecting the video from my computer and drag it here, or I can equally click here. Let me click here. Okay, let me select the video from my system, the one I want to use as an example for this video. All right, I'll click here, then click open. It's importing now. All right, look at the video here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to drag the video to my timeline. Here, this is called timeline. Here, this is called timeline. So I'll drag this video here to my timeline. Okay, match to media, yes. All right, so this is it. Let me play it so that you hear the sound now. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel this morning. It's Ezekiel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos. Like you heard the sound. So for example, now I don't want this video to start here. Okay, maybe I want the video to start from here. Okay, so what I will do now is to cut this one out. Okay, I'll click here, this scissors icon, I'll click on it, or I can press Ctrl B to cut it out. So I'll click here, I've cut this one out, so I'll delete this one now. It's out. Okay,
everyone, welcome to my channel.
Alright, now if you want to add effects or transition, let me show you how to add transition to your videos. Okay, for example, I want to add transition here. So what I want to do is to cut this one. Okay, if you look at here now, see that this one has been broken. So I'll go to transition here, either dissolve, fade, bar, or erase, or flash. Let me use flash. Okay, so I'll drag it, put it here. Okay, if I play the video now, you see
now this morning it's still with the car.
You see the effect. So okay, now let me remove this one and add another one. Let me add fade. Okay, then play it.
Come to my channel this morning. It's still with the car. In this video,
can you see that now? Can add this fade here. In the video,
I'm going to show you how you.
Okay, so this is how you can add transition to your video. Let me show you another thing, how to add title to your video. Okay, for example, you want to have a title on top of the video. So what I'm going to do now is to go here, this here, titles. So I'll click on it. Okay, either I choose this one. Okay, let me choose this title too, then drag it, put it here. If I play it now,
your video,
you see the title now. So let me show you how to edit this title. I will double click on this one now. I'll double click, then you can see your text here. So I will delete this one, I will remove it. But if you remove this one here, this one will never be removed unless you go to advanced. So you click on advanced. Alright, so you click on advanced, you see the whole text. Okay, so if I click this one, which is the first text there, so I'll say welcome. I'll say welcome. Then come to this one, and type, here is my first title. Let me change the color. Let me see how black is now. Let me use this one. It's not visible, you can't see it enough, so let me choose another color here. Okay, look at the title here. So this welcome, let me change it right now. So I'll click here, choose black. Alright, so I can even drag this text down here. Okay, after editing your text, you click on this OK, then you click OK here. Alright, then you drag this one down. Okay, let me carry this one up here. drag it up here, then this one down. Cool. All right, so when I play this video now, you see the text will appear.
I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos.
All right, so this is how you can add text to your video. So the next thing I'm going to show you now is how to add animation to your text. Okay, how to add animation like this text here. I'm going to add animation now. So what I'm going to do is to double click here. Okay, then click animation. All right, I can choose typewriter. Okay, let me add animation to this one. I can choose cinema style. Can you see it? So to get it, just double click any of these, either typewriter or cinema style or wavy style. Let me use cinema style. Okay, after that you click OK. Okay, when I play the video again,
I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos.
Can you see it now? So this is how you can add animation to your text on your video. Another one I'm going to show you is how to add audio, that is the background music to your video. How to add a background music to your video. Okay, to do that, I'll go to my file explorer, that is my computer, then I'll do drag and drop, or I can go to file, you see import, then you click import media files. So you click on it, then I'll select the music I want to use as my background music. Okay, then I'll click on it, open. It's important. All right, so the next I'm going to do now is to drag it, put it here. Okay, if I play it now, just listen.
Morning, it's Ezekiel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos. I've received a lot.
I hope you heard the sound. So this is how you can add an audio to your video, that is a background music to your video. So the next thing now I'm going to show you, because I know you'll be asking, after editing this video, how can someone export this video so that the person can upload it on his or her YouTube channel? The last thing I'm going to show you now is how to export the video. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos, because I'll be uploading videos here every week. Subscribe now. Okay, let me show you how to export your video after editing. To export your video, you have to go here, this export, you click on it, then this name is the name of your video. Let me say how to edit video for YouTube. Okay, now I will click export. I'll click export. It has started exporting. All right, Alright guys, the video has been exported. Okay, now to view the video, because this video after exporting it's saved on my system, so let me show you the video right now. Let me go to my system. There's a video here. I'll play it.
Channel this morning. It's Ezekiel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos. How you can edit your videos. I've received a lot of messages.
So guys, this is how you can edit videos for YouTube. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Then go to the comment section and comment I love this video. And don't forget to share this video to your friends so that they will also learn. Okay, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Subscribe to my channel right now by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release an update. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.